If you think AI video generation still looks artificial, let me show you something that might change your mind. This scene you're seeing right now, it's not a film and it's not a 3D render. It was created using just a single prompt. The tool we're testing is called Wan 2.7. It's a complete platform for creating videos, images, and even professional editing, all inside one environment. And I want to test it from scratch with you to see how powerful it really is. Right now I'm inside the Wan dashboard. In the center of the screen, there's a large box where everything starts. At the top, you can see the Generate option, where we can choose between video, image, and avatar. I'm selecting video. Here, I'll write the prompt. A cinematic medieval scene with full details. What's interesting here is that Wan works really well with long prompts, which means the more precise you are, the more controlled your output becomes. At the bottom of this box, we have several options like frame, clip, and audio, which basically allow you to create multiple scenes and have more precise control over the structure of the video. At the top right, we have important settings. The model is set to Wan 2.7. We can choose the quality. The aspect ratio can be adjusted for YouTube or Shorts, and the duration goes up to 15 seconds. There's also a very important option called Enhance Prompt, which automatically improves your prompt. Now I click Generate. You can see it has started generating. And what's interesting is that I didn't do any manual editing. And this is the final result. It has camera movement, cinematic lighting, and even the clothing and environment details are very accurate. On the right side, we can see the full project details, along with some very important options. We can extend it and continue the video, edit it and make changes, or even send it to Timeline to build the full project. And if we like the result, we can use it or click Rerun to generate again. Now let's move to the image section. From the left side, I select Image. I set the model to Wan 2.7 Pro to get higher quality results. We also have an option called Color Palette, which can change the visual tone of the image, but for now, I'm not going to use it. I set the resolution to 4K and adjust the aspect ratio. I enter the prompt and click Generate. With just 2 credits. A few seconds later, 4 different images are generated. On the right side, this part is very important. For each image, we have options like Direct Download, Edit Regenerate Convert to Video, or even Convert to an Avatar, which means the output is not the end, but the beginning of the next step. If I click on Image Edit, I enter the canvas. This section is really interesting because you basically have an unlimited editing environment. For example, for this image, I write a new prompt. A darker, more cinematic atmosphere with fog and dramatic lighting. I generate again. And the result? The same scene, but with a completely different mood. Here we also have various tools like crop, regenerate, download, and even modifying scene details. This means you don't have to start from scratch. You can evolve your output. The pricing is also interesting. Wan works based on a credit system. For example, 30 credits cost around $1.50, 150 credits cost around $5, 300 credits cost around $10. And there are larger plans as well, like 1,800 credits for $50 or 3,900 credits for $100, which makes it much more cost-effective for high-volume production. Overall, if I want to summarize, Wan is not just a generation tool. It's a complete system for creation, editing, transformation, and full control over content. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. Definitely give it a try, because the experience is very different from typical tools. If this video was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and don't miss the next videos.